This is a 1989 to 92 EZGO, and I'm going to be showing the engine bay, the muffler, transmission clutch assembly. This is what I've been working on for the past week or so, just trying to get the engine rebuilt. Basically, it was just a big giant grease ball because the valve cover was leaking. There was bolts missing out of it. They ran it with no air filter. So it swallowed a stick which got stuck in the intake valve. And that's how I ended up getting this thing to work on for a little bit of extra cash. They're running it with the skid plate bolts loose. If you look at this bolt closely, you can see it's bent from hanging down. Needs new drive belt. It's cracked, probably worn on the sides. Needs a new starter generator belt. It's cracked. Starter generator. Big grease ball. I'll keep you guys appraised of how this goes. Thanks for watching this video.